1. Lay out the easel as shown with the front of the easel face down. Step 2. Slide one of the larger washers onto the long bolt. Follow this with sliding on the sleeve that will be inserted inside of the wheel. Slide the wheel onto the sleeve and finish with the larger washer. Insert the bolt through the base of the easel as shown and secure with the smaller washer and nut. Repeat for the opposite side. Step 3. Stand the easel up and lock in place by securing the tightening knobs. Facing the easel, you will see an area in the front of the top cross support where you will add one of the brass plates before sliding on the center mast of the easel. Look for the same area on the canvas supports to add the brass plates before sliding the canvas supports onto the easel and securing with the turn knobs. You will need to do this for each of the 3 canvas supports. 2 of the canvas supports will have a wider area to slide onto the easel, as those will slide onto the large mast in which the smaller mast slides into. The smaller canvas support will go on last and slide onto the smaller mast in the middle.